Let's transform your chaotic film projects into a streamlined masterpiece using the power of Notion. First, we'll create a dedicated film project workspace. Start by making a new page titled with your film's name. Within this page, create your core databases type and select Database Inline to create a database for your script breakdown. Add columns like scene number, location, characters involved, and important notes. This will help you break down the script into manageable chunks. Next, let's visualize your film with a storyboard database. Include columns for shot number, a detailed description of the shot, and a space to upload visual references or sketches. Now, for a crucial element, your production schedule, create a timeline view database. Add tasks like location scouting, casting, shooting, and editing, setting clear deadlines for each stage. Don't forget your resources. Create a database to track equipment rentals, locations, and contact information for your crew and cast. This keeps everything organized in one place. The beauty of Notion is its ability to link databases. Connect your script breakdown to your storyboard and schedule to see how everything impacts each other. And there you have it, a basic but powerful system for managing your film projects from pre-production all the way to post. Now go make some movie magic.